Hey you guys, it's me, LuvNailsNicole. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I just wanted to share with y'all some of my Halloween nail polishes that I have. Some are actual Halloween collections, and some are like colors that I think are great for Halloween colors or nail art and stuff like that I just want to share with you guys. Now, this isn't everything. This is just like what I could find out of maybe 3 boxes that I looked through. So I just grabbed what I saw. I know I have more because I'm missing some. Like, I have a lot of dark colors, but I know I have a couple more glow in the dark, some more oranges and stuff like that. But this is what I pulled out and wanted to share with you guys, which is some of my favorite ones. I haven't really used them much, but they're my go-tos at Halloween time. So I actually have to figure out which ones that I want to use and start wearing them this month before it's over. So yeah, I think I have about like 20 something polishes here that I counted, I think. Yeah. So let's see. I will start with putting you guys up on the tripod. And I'll start with what I have in front. So these two are pure ices, and then most of these polishes I have, if you guys watch my playlist, my nail polish collection playlist, you guys will see a lot of these in some of those collections as well. So yeah, so these are my pure ice, and these I found at Walmart if I'm not mistaken, but they're glow in the dark, which I really love glow in the dark polishes. This one is called, there we go, Boo Moon. And if I can get it to show, you guys can see it has little silver moons in it and little silver and black glitters. And I don't think I've used this one yet, so that's a maybe. This one I've used once. This one is, here we go, Fright This Way, and it has cute little bats in it, and it's just a glow in the dark, just like clear top coat. And then I have this one I got, I think, at like Rite Aid, and I just like this. I don't really like this type of glitter. It's that like, what's it called? Hex glitter, whatever, string glitter. I don't too much like the glitter, but I just thought the lid was super cute. And no, this is from Sally Beauty Supply, and I think it was $2 on clearance for $2. So that's the only reason I got this one, but it's by Sally Girl. You guys can see. Oh, and I do have a glow in the dark by Sally Girl, a little mini one too. I don't know where that's at. Is there a name? This one's called Pumpkin. This one I found at like a Dollar General or Family Dollar, 60 cents. It's like that kids, it's the Munsters High Ghoulicious Have a Bolt. I'm gonna open it. It was 60 cents. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a pink, and I just thought that was kind of like a Halloweeny because of the bottle, and I guess because it's called Munster High, has a little, you know, Munster's name in it, but it's probably not all that great, but I've never opened it, but it's a dark pink. And then I have these simple colors here in the front. This one is Splatter Spell, and it's just an orange and black chunky glitter. And this one is it's a limited time Sinful Colors Tombstone Matte. Don't think I've used this one yet. This one's called Cloak and Swagger. It's a really pretty shimmer, dark, like burgundy wine-ish color. These I have 2 of. I think I have 3 actually. This is the limited time Chameleon color, and it's called Nice Guys, but see how it's spelled. And it's a really pretty color. It has like some yellow golds or blues, something like that in it. These 3 are glow in the darks. This is one of my faves. I've used this one a few times, Celebration, and you can see it has the little skeleton heads in it. It's like a green, very light though. This is just a glow in the dark top coat, and it says just glow in the dark at the bottom. This one also has little skulls in it. Let's see. But it's a cute, like, pinkish color with some silver glitters in it. This one is called Dead On. And I think all of these, I think I got from, like, a Walgreens, $1.99. I think that might be it on, like, an actual Halloween. This is an indie. This is called Polish Addict. And this is a glitter with some stars and different shaped glitters in it. Triangles, circles. You see all that fun, different, bright colors. And like a black polish. And it's called House of a Thousand Corpses, which is a good scary movie. But yeah, that's an indie. And then these, like, I would use, this one I like to use is called Ruffle Sally Hansen Luxe Lace, which is just like, whoa, sorry about that. It's just like a top coat. It's like glittery dots that would go good over something, like maybe over these grays, just to give it a little, you know, dark look. This is the Werewolf that I used in my previous nail art video where I was using those stencils. And this one is called Cool Credit, which is nice for doing nail art, or even just a very light gray nail for like that tomb headstone look. And I have this Moon Metal, which I thought would be a fun little Halloween. It's called Cherish Me. It's not a Halloween collection, but it is a limited time. But it's like a dark gray with some silver round glitters in it, which I thought might be nice together with that or something, and put a little orange decorations on it to make it pop. And then I have some like dark colors. This one, this is Starry Night. I think this is actually a Christmas one, but it still would be pretty, I think, for Halloween. It looks like, oh, okay, it has some big and small glitters. I'm like, what's in it? Is it stars? But there's just some bigger glitters in it, but that's a pretty one. And then these are also like black glitters. I thought would be, you know, nice for a base. I thought this is a good red for some maybe blood splatter nails, a white polish and some blood spatter. This is the Notex Red. When they were promoting no texting and driving, you put this color on your thumb and it represents the Notex Red edition. This is a good Halloween purple, the Maybelline Fast Gel. This one is, oh, well, it actually is a good name, Wicked Berry. That probably is a Halloween collection, but I found this like 2-3 months ago or something when I shared that with y'all. This one is from Five Below. This one is called As If. But I thought this would be a fun, like, girly Halloween look. You know, just no nail art. Just put this on just to have some black with some colors popping on it. It has some stars and other shaped glitters in it. And does this one glow in the dark? I have one that glows in the dark. I don't know what I did with it. I don't think this one does, though. And then I do have, like, my orange. I think I used this one in that video also. This is the Vanessa Hudgens, My Tribe. I thought this would be a pretty base color. Marvelous, the LA Colors Metal. This one is a deep, dark, like a shimmery purple. And it's called Carnival with a K because it's the Kylie signature collection. And then, did I show y'all this one yet? This one is called Let's Talk. And I thought this, it looks blue on camera. I don't know why, but it's purple. Yeah, can't tell, but it's a pretty purple color. Like a deep dark purple. It's like a perfect Halloween purple. And then this blue one, I don't know. I just thought this would be like a nice nighttime, like a base. I don't know. I just feel Halloween when I look at this one. I don't know why. But this one is called True Color. And this is also a King Kylie signature collection. Simple Shine. These were all simple color, simple shines. And yeah, that's it. I did have this one put off to the side. This neon lighted up simple colors that I thought would be nice as a base to put like maybe the bats on, or to even put this on top, you know, or to go over with the black dot glitters. So, you know, I just had a mix of like different colors I could do different things with and make different styles. I know I'm not going to get to all of them this month. I'm hoping to at least get to 2 if I can. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, pull out some of my Halloween colors and show them to y'all. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see any of these colors swatched, let me know in the comments which ones you'd like to see, and I will come back and swatch them on my nail mat that is now available on eBay. I usually leave a link in the comments, so you guys go follow my eBay store, check out my mats. I don't have all the shapes up yet, but I do have a couple of mats listed, and I will be listing more shapes this week, so make sure you guys go follow eBay LuvNailsNicole. Alright y'all, that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween collection / Halloween nail color video I put together for you guys. Thank you. Thumbs up. See you guys. Oh, subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.